Hi viewers, this is Mazhar Abbas with a new video how to calculate concrete quantity of circular foundation. Before going to start my video, I request you to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit bell icon so that you can get notification whenever I upload any video. Viewers, today our topic is how to calculate concrete quantity of a circular foundation. It is very important because normally the foundation of chimneys and foundation of boilers or foundation of turbines are usually in circular shapes. So we must know how to calculate the quantity of concrete for these foundation. We have taken an example, and in this example a circular foundation having diameter 4 meter, and we want to calculate the quantity of concrete for this foundation. First of all, we will make data. We have diameter, which is equal to 4 meter, and depth of this foundation. Depth of this foundation, which will be denoted by small d, and depth is 300 mm. Our diameter is in meter and our depth is in millimeter, so we will convert millimeter into meter. Dividing 300 mm by 1000, we get 0.300 meter. Now viewers, if we want to calculate the quantity of concrete in circular foundation, we must know the volume of this foundation. So if we want to know the volume, we must know the area. First of all, we will work for area. We know that area is equal to pi r square. For any circular shape, any body whose geometrical shape is circular, the formula for area is pi r square. Now we know that diameter is 2 times radius, so we divide diameter by 2 and we get r from there. So our radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. We will put this value here. So area is equal to pi d divided by 2 square. Taking square, d square divided by square of 2 is 4. So this is the area for this circular slab, circular shape foundation. So viewers, now we know that volume is equal to length into breadth into height, and this length into breadth is equal to area. So its mean volume is equal to area multiplied by height. We know that area for this circular foundation is pi d square by 4, and height or depth for this circular foundation is d, which is denoted by small d. Now we derive the formula for quantity of concrete for this circular foundation. Now we have values for these donations. Pi, you know, pi is equal to 3.14, diameter, which is equal to 4 given in diagram, divided by 4, multiply depth, which is 0.330. Now after calculating, we get 3.768 cubic meter. This is the concrete that is required for a circular foundation having diameter 4 meter and depth 300 millimeter. Viewers, I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my channel and hit bell icon so that you get notification for my upcoming videos. Thank you.